Today we have with us Karma's power wheelchair KP10.2. This wheelchair is an all aluminum body wheelchair and it features the captain seat for better comfort of the user. Now this wheelchair has a small joystick controller with which we can totally control the movement of this wheelchair. Let me just illustrate you by sitting myself how this wheelchair can be controlled with the help of the joystick. Now while I sit, I can just feel that this captain seat is very comfortable for the wheelchair users, and with this small joystick controller in my hand, I switch on the power and here I am ready to give freedom to my movement. You see, with this small controller I can go forward, I can go backward, I can take left, I can take right turn. Also, let me just tell you that this controller is very precise and very accurate, because within a very small space this whole wheelchair can take full rotation. You see, I was almost stationary at one point and I was able to take a full 360-degree turn. Also, this joystick controller enables to increase or decrease the speed as per the user's convenience. Here I am increasing the speed and now I can decrease the speed. The lights indicate the speed level. Now this wheelchair is also very safe because the wheelchair has electromagnetic brakes in action. So when you take out your hand out of this controller, the wheelchair immediately comes to halt, giving safety to the wheelchair users. Also, this wheelchair features foldable foot plates and detachable foot rests. You see, by just pulling up this clip, I can rotate and I can detach the footrest. The footrests are totally detached. This is advantageous when there is a small space through which you need to take your wheelchair. Again, putting this footrests are also very easy and convenient. For the safety, Karma has also given safety seat belt for the user for additional safety while the user is moving in this wheelchair. Now this wheelchair also has the backrest as angle adjustable. In this backrest can be adjusted in different angles for better comfort. I'll just show you. Moshini, can you help me? Yeah. See, the user can just turn this in a different angle, the backrest, and he can have a reclined position. This wheelchair can also be folded for taking the wheelchairs outdoor, maybe in your car trunk. Fine. See, the whole seat frame can be dismantled from the base frame, and the wheelchair can be divided in 3 parts so that it can be kept in the boot of your car and you can take it for traveling. Okay.